Hey everybody, let's have a look at Microsoft. It's going to report earnings late January. I believe it's on the 29th of January earnings. And the stock continues to essentially trade within a well-defined arch. And so I know this is a bit of a sort of an esoterical pattern, but it actually, I think, is a superior way to look at the way that security prices act, because you get a range and perspective as opposed to just drawing a simple line or even a moving average. So what we see here is that essentially since 2023, in fact, since the beginning of 2023, Microsoft has been trading within a well-defined arch, and you can see the highs, you can see the lows. And what's notable at this juncture is that the stock has essentially since last summer repeatedly tried to find support, has successfully, I should say, found support at the lower end of that range, and there's more and more pressure being sort of applied to the bottom of that arch. Now, of course, it hasn't broken, so it remains support. So what I'm trying to say here from an investor's perspective, and until we break that support, there's really not a whole lot of reasons to be bearish on that stock, or be sort of even putting on too many bearish trades from a trading perspective. Now, going to the current look at the chart here through the lens of an actual daily chart, we can go a little bit more granular and get more detailed. And so the levels I'm really looking at are around $410 or so, maybe $411, not to get too granular. If and when those levels were to break, that would be where I would get more concerned. That's where, from an investing perspective, I would look to lighten up on the stock, maybe even get bearish from a trading perspective. So there you have it, updated look at Microsoft, the arch.